Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make an image arrow shape in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly in this video I will show that make an image in arrow shape. Now going to the insert menu option. From the insert image, now click for the drawing option. Then insert from the picture, now click for the image option. Then browse from the click. Then insert picture from the desktop. Now for open. Then we show that open from the image in the insert. Now image from the arrow shape. Now click for the mask image option. Now click for the arrow option. Then click for the arrow. That's it. Now click for the borrow date option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then I show the make an image arrow shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.